The hustle and bustle of life naturally deters us from achieving our goals of being successful. We become reactive rather than proactive. We need to slow down and connect with what really matters. Yourself. Studies have shown that a good morning routine increases productivity to an optimum level. Successful people like billionaires, presidents, inventors, scholars, leaders have one thing in common: a great morning routine.
1, 2, 3.
A good morning routine starts the night before, setting an intention to wake up early and writing your to-do list for the next day. You are what you do repeatedly every day. As for me, after setting the intention to wake up for Fajr prayer, I find out that I do not need an alarm to wake me up. Let's just say God wakes me up. Your morning routine should help set you up for success, and it should be tailored towards you and your religion and your faith. So after tossing and turning, I wake up and I observe my gratitude. There's a dua we say as Muslims. I say that before I leave the bed. Dua means supplication in Islam. It is important that we stay off all forms of social media when we first get up from bed. We take care of ourselves first. Stop trying to keep up with others. Our journeys are different. You are not a part of someone's race. Inculcate the habit of spending your time and your energy on paving your own way. And this starts with your morning routine. Making one's bed right after waking up goes beyond beautification, although it's a great bonus. It is truly and firstly about instilling order into your life and accomplishing a goal right away. And I also find that an organized space helps productivity, so it's important to pick up after yourself as you go. Then I proceed into the bathroom to brush my teeth and perform ablution. Ablution is the spiritual bath Muslims have before any prayer. It is therapeutic, it eases headache. In all, it is calming. My own next step is to observe my Salah and recite my Quran. This is where our billionaires would meditate or pray if they are religious. This step is very, very important for me as a woman of faith. While all of this is happening, I make sure that my incense is burning, because one of the most important sense organ that helps with productivity is the nasal sense organ. This part is where your billionaires will add essential oils to their humidifier. Recitation of the Quran is the utmost meditation. It grounds you and makes you aware that there's a greater being. The next step is to get ready to leave the house to work out. I enjoy taking walks in the morning and sometimes jogging. It is important to give your body what it needs, the fuel. There's no greater failure than to be rich in money but poor in health. I am a sucker for productivity podcasts, so that is what I listen to on my run, but feel free to listen to anything that motivates you. You can create a cool and calm playlist on Apple Music or even Spotify. Taking out time not only to walk or run, but to stretch your joints and be in tune with your body helps a lot. On this day, coincidentally, I listened to a productivity podcast where morning routine was being discussed. A statement that struck me is that the greatest crime we commit is going to bed without a dream and waking up without a purpose, and it really resonated with me. That was what birthed this video. Fortunately, this right here is my morning routine. I have been doing this morning routine for a while now. I prefer taking a walk in nature than hopping on a treadmill and being static. This way, I get to see and appreciate God's work. This route has been my constant path for a while now, and I never cease to be amazed by the scenery, the vast greenery, lakes and mountains. Alhamdulillah. While at it, meditate and pray. Don't forget to breathe. Take in oxygen. Mindfulness is important for any good morning routine. On returning from my walk, I hit the shower and do my skincare routine, which I won't be featuring here for obvious reasons. The next thing is that I make my brain tea. Your gut is your second brain. Your gut has an incredible amount of nerves, so it is important to keep it healthy. My brain tea usually consists of a green tea bag, lemon and honey. On this day, I used a vitamin C and green tea bag. It contains a super boost of vitamin C and it tastes amazing. Today I swapped the lemons for apple cider vinegar. It has loads of benefits for the gut. While sipping my tea and enjoying it, guys, there's emphasis on enjoying it. It is important that you enjoy every part of your morning routine. I make a mental note of my to-feel list and my to-be list, aside from my to-do list. It is important we have a to-feel list. On this day, I wanted to feel loved, I wanted to feel gratitude, and I wanted to feel curious. And I wanted to be a good wife, a good friend, and a good daughter. With the help of this book by Rhonda Byrne called Magic. It has journal pages that helps with the journaling activities. On a daily basis, I strive to be a thermostat that sets temperature and standard, other than a thermometer that allows the external temperature affected. I read my book for another 15 to 30 minutes, depending on how busy my schedule for the day is. After which I proceed to make a power breakfast. Enjoy the ASMR. Having a healthy breakfast is super important because you want to try to get all your nutrients in to jumpstart the day. And as humans, we are visual eaters, so I love it when my food is pretty. Today I'm having oats topped with a bunch of fruits, grapes and apples with skimmed milk. Then I proceed to get some work done. Comment below if you can eat oats every day of the week, cause I can. On days when I don't have appointments on site, I work remotely doing architectural drawings and creating digital content for my brand and other brands. I'm currently trying to restructure my interior design brand, Cubic Spaces, so I've been doing a lot of paper and brain work. And I find that this healthy morning routine has impacted my life in more ways than one. First, I'm able to connect with God, which is the most important thing to me, and it also helps my creative juice flow. Through connecting with myself and taking care of myself first early in the morning and blocking out the noise of the world. There's a theory that states that if you could win the morning, you could win the day. One of the ways to do it is to create a regular ritual and routine, which becomes an habit of being active as against being reactive. Subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. And also watch this next video because part of the ingredient of success is to dress how you want to be addressed.
1, 2, 3.